We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at Studio Apartment 618. Let's go on in. This is our standard model. This is the layout that we have the most available of. This is a north rectangle, so we are on the street side of the building. We enter through the kitchen. You can see we have cabinets. There's a refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher, a microwave, and a stove and oven. This apartment has a nice little nook over here on the right, and we often will see a small shelf or a small narrow table or a trash can over here. It's also a good place to kind of stick your shoes in the apartment. As we go into the main area of the apartment, we will pass by the closet. Let's take a look in the closet. So we've got a hanging rack and some good storage space here in the closet. As we go into the main part of the room, this is the standard size for the studios here in the building. So, and the furniture does come with, we have that dining table and chair, that tall bookshelf, a full-size bed, a dresser, and a desk and chair. Let's go over to the window and see the view. We're here on the top floor or sixth floor of this sixth floor building. You can see the air conditioner over here underneath. There's a mini blind, but we have it open so we can see outside. And you can see down below, there's the street, that's Dryden Road. And up on the corner is the intersection of College Avenue, and that's the main intersection here in our Collegetown neighborhood. From there, of course, we are just one block to campus. Let's go over and take a look at the bathroom. And we'll get over there. Okay, here in the bathroom, same bathroom here in all the apartments. We have that full-size tub shower with the sliding door. You've got the sink and vanity that opens up underneath and a toilet, and you can see we have the little cabinet open here as well. And there are some towel racks also. So that's a look here in Collegetown Center. We're in a standard studio. We're on floor 6. The building is located at 151 Dryden Road. We are in central Collegetown, just one block to campus.